Presentation is key when it comes to gift giving. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to wrap a terry towel like an envelope to make it look elegant and presentable. Start by laying your terry towel out flat on a table or surface. Take one of the long edges of the towel and fold it over to the center line of the towel. Repeat the same process with the other long edge of the towel, so that both edges meet in the center of the towel. Next, mentally divide the towel into 4 equal parts, using the center line as your guide. Starting from the right side, fold together 3 parts of the towel towards the center. Be sure to create a clean, straight fold and press firmly to crease the fabric. Now, take the top corners of the remaining unfolded part of the towel and fold them down to create a triangle shape. Fold the triangle on the rectangle to create the envelope shape. Finally, tie the towel together with a satin ribbon to keep it securely wrapped and add a touch of elegance. And there you have it, a beautifully wrapped terry towel gift. This gift wrapping technique will surely impress your recipient.